Welcome back to another cool tool show and tell. Today, once again, I've got Jordan Bunker back with another tool recommendation. Jordan, what are we talking about today?
Today I have one of my favorite woodworking tools. It's a measuring tool, and it's this Incra ruler set. It comes in a set of 3 different rulers. These are stainless steel laser cut rulers. And the big difference between a normal ruler is that these actually have holes laser cut in them. So you can put your little mechanical pencil or ultrafine point Sharpie in there and make an exact mark, exactly where you need it to be.
All right. To me, they seem a little jangly and flimsy. Tell me why I might want to invest in that kind of precision. Like, what kind of jobs might I do where that kind of precision would really come into play?
So what I usually use them for is if I'm making like small boxes, like tiny, precise boxes where you have like a lot of joints that meet up at particular angles. You really don't want to be guessing, and I really don't trust my tape measure. If I'm drawing a lot of parallel lines, the T-square comes in really handy. It's got this kind of adjustable, what do you call this? Aluminum extrusion on the side. It's just really useful for very precise work. If you have that kind of like German toolmaker mindset where you like don't want to, which side of the line should I be that I made on this is the right side? No, exact. Yeah, they're stainless steel. They won't rust. They seem flimsy, but they're very strong. And they've been an invaluable part of my sort of like precision workshop tools. For woodworking. I mean, I've used them for metalworking too, but yeah.
And actually, now that I go back, I shouldn't say flimsy. I think there's what I've learned now from talking to people who are more in the trades is that kind of flexibility for getting over things that aren't a completely flat surface is really the thing you're buying. Sometimes you want to be able to have it conform to the thing that you're measuring. So I imagine that for the right purpose, that could be perfect.
The one that isn't flexible is this one. It's obviously like a 90-degree sort of thing. This is really useful because it has cutouts that go across the 90-degree edge. So if you're transferring a line from the top to your side of your box or something like that, this is really useful. It even has marks on the edge, which I've never used, but, good to know.
I've never seen anything like that before. That's really cool. And then what's the third of the 3 rulers there?
The third one is actually just a kind of a smaller version of the big one. It's just basically your standard ruler. This is, in inches, but you can buy metric versions of these rulers too. And I think I bought the 12-inch long ones. Yeah, but I think they make an 18-inch long set as well. So, and I think they make a 6-inch set as well. So, varying sizes for different prices. I bought the 3 set just because rather than buy them as I need them, I like buying all of the ones that I could foreseeably use. But yeah, these actually are really useful for small projects. Not so much for like, big pieces of wood, but yeah.
Yeah, great. And then you said the 3 set was around $60, I think last time I looked at it. 60,
yeah,
70?
I know it sounds expensive, but for measuring tools, you're paying for the precision, really, and the durability. Like, you don't want to be using your old messed up tape measure that's kicked around the shop when you're doing precise work. So $60 is a bargain in my opinion for a tool that's going to last you 20 years, 30 years. So.
All right, great. I endeavor to start in on the kind of work that would require that kind of precision, Jordan. I'll get there someday, maybe with your help. But thank you for the great recommendation, and you can find more information about this tool, the Precision Ruler tool set, down here in the video description. And Jordan, thanks again for joining us for another cool tool show and tell.
My pleasure.